Hey everybody, welcome to Animation Capstone. That's right, welcome to Animation Capstone. We're at the end of week 6. I thought I'd just give a quick reminder, so don't worry about any lecture material or anything. I just want you to focus on your work, get in the last transitions and get that feedback in. I sent it all yesterday, so early morning. If you have any questions about it, let me know. I'd be happy to answer that. Other than that, yeah, just keep working on your stuff. If you have any questions, and do keep in mind you have a discussion post. Your replies are due tonight. You also have your lectures tomorrow, and also your week 6 assignment, which is the update feedback with the animations and the for your first 30 seconds. That's pretty much it, or the transition, sorry, and the video. Other than that, that's pretty much all I got. Keep in mind, same thing as always. Lectures are always on Tuesday. New week's coming up. If you have any questions about any of the assignments or anything or any feedback, let me know. We can go from there. Other than that, be safe, have fun, enjoy. Take it easy. All right, thanks everybody. Hope you have a great weekend. Call me if you need me. All right.